In this exercise, I'm going to demonstrate how to use a medium resistance band to help stretch out the front side of the shoulder and the pec muscles. Now, it's an important area to stretch out, especially if you're dealing with some shoulder pain, mid-back pain, neck pain, headaches. When this muscle group gets really tight, we tend to carry anterior rotated shoulder, and that can put a lot of strain on the shoulder joint, the neck, back, and can also cause the muscle tissues to get really tight and cause some headaches. So to demonstrate this, what you're going to do is get your resistance band hooked up to a high part on the ceiling, and then you're going to start with your arm in about a 12 o'clock position like so. And just have a loose grip on the band up top here, and then to facilitate the stretch, you're just going to take a step forward and let your body start shifting forward until you feel about a mild, moderate stretch. Now, you want to make sure you're keeping your torso nice and straight, that you're not going so far to where then you're going to start hyperextending. That's not where we want to feel a stretch. We want to keep our torso engaged, go forward, let the arm go back with the resistance of the band until you feel a stretch in the front of the shoulder here. Then you're going to step out of the stretch. You're going to move your arm into about a 1 o'clock position, and you're going to stretch it again. So each time we go in and out of the stretch, we're going to change the position, open up the stretch a little bit more, and go in and out of the stretch, working the numbers of a clock. So once you get down to the 4, 5, and 6 o'clock position, to get the proper depth of the stretch, you want to go into a little bit more of a lunge down, let that band pull your arm up, and you should feel a stretch into the last bit of those pecs and into your biceps as well. Now, in terms of the length of the holds for the stretches, if it's a more of a mobilization technique or just kind of a warm-up before your exercise, just go in and out of the stretch relatively quickly, a few seconds each hold, and move it through the various ranges of motion to unlock all of those different angled pec fibers. And then after your exercise, if there was an angle where you felt a lot of tightness in the muscles, then you can go back afterwards, put it right in that range of motion, take a step forward, and just really hold it for a long period of time at that point to try to lengthen those muscle fibers. So 60 seconds, 90 seconds, just really relax into the stretch, let the band pull the pec muscle into that range of motion.